In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make pulled pork in an hour. Smash that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you know when more recipes are released. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and slice it up so we can put it in the pressure cooker. This one here had a bone in it, so we're gonna have to cut around the bone. All right, so we got your meat. It's already in the pressure cooker, and again, I've got the bone in butt roast, so had to get it around the bone. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna hit you with 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna pour this on this bad boy. So we're gonna hit it with 2 cups of water. So filtered water, that's what we're gonna use, and then just come back and fill it up. And there you have it, guys. We're gonna let this bad boy cook in the pressure cooker for hours. So once we take this off, we're gonna pull the pork, and then we're gonna make the magic happen. So you can hear that steam releasing from that pressure cooker. So I can open this bad boy up, and it's been cooking for an hour. So we're gonna release the steam so we can see that yummy, nice and juicy pulled pork. Well, we still gotta pull it, so it's just pork right now, and then we're gonna pull pork that thing, and all the steam's released. Then it's ready to check on your meat. So you heard that? Hopefully you can hear that. There's a little chime. So you can see it with the top off. It's been pressure cooking for an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fork some of it, and you can see that's what that apple cider vinegar is really for. Tenderize that meat. So guys, I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I got my strainer here, and I'm just taking because I got a couple things going on in the kitchen right now, but I'm just taking my pulled pork and I'm transferring it over to this bowl so I can show you how good it's gonna be when you pull it, because I'm actually cooking some other stuff too. But we're taking that, we're just gonna put it in that bowl. Set that over like so, and you can see, like I said, you can just fork that pork, and it's tender. Fall off the bone if it was on the bone, but easy to pull. And you do have some pieces of fat in there. Again, you can take that out if you like, but you just pulling it, guys, pulling your pork, and you can see those shreds. And I'm bringing the shred up right here. You see that shred right there, and this thing is still hot. All right, so we got this thing pulled. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients that we need. So I'm going right back with the apple cider vinegar, and you want about a half a cup of that you're gonna put over this. Again, I want that thing to be flavorful. A cup and a half of your BBQ sauce, and I got that Sweet Baby Ray's right there, so a cup and a half of that. And I like mine to be nice and flavorful. And do 2 tablespoons of pepper, or 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that on there, and then you just mix that bad boy up. That's the pulled pork right there. Yummy right there. Man, that thing was good. That's how I like it. A little bit of vinegar, but you got that barbecue in there. Combination is right. Throw some coleslaw with that, man, you got a yummy recipe. So there you have it, pulled pork in an hour. Man, I had to go smash some more of that. You see those pulled pork sandwiches right there. Those things were good. Get your pressure cooker in an hour, bussing, Still got you in the game. We'll see you guys later, man. Peace.